Good morning, students. Okay, today is the 8th question articles last part. In the previous class, we have studied the rules of indefinite article and definite article and omission of articles we are learning now. Okay, in this session, we are going to learn remaining rules of omission of articles. Okay, the first rule. Yesterday we have studied there is no article before proper nouns, particular persons' names or places, etc. For example, Abdul Kalam, Gandhiji, there is no article. But when we used Kalidasa is the Shakespeare of India. He is the Sachin of our team. When proper noun is used as a common noun, there is the article. Otherwise, there is no article before the particular nouns are proper nouns. Okay. Now article is used before material nouns like gold, silver, water, oil, steel, etc. and abstract nouns like knowledge, wisdom, honesty, virtue, joy, sorrow, excitement, anger and determination, etc. are used in general purpose. The can be, however, the can be used when they are used in a particular sense. వీటిని పర్టికులర్ సెన్స్లో యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు దా వస్తుంది, అదర్వైజ్ దేర్ ఈజ్ నో ఆర్టికల్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్, వాటర్ ఈజ్ ఎసెన్షియల్ ఫర్ ఆల్ లివింగ్ బీయింగ్స్. హియర్ నో ఆర్టికల్ బికాస్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద జనరల్, all living beings need the water. Don't drink the water in that bottle, it is dirty. Don't drink the water, it is polluted. Okay, this is the special or particular purpose. Okay, clear? Same abstract noun, these are the material noun. Abstract noun, wisdom is great virtue. మేధా సంపత్తి అనేది గొప్ప సుగుణం. ఓకే, నో ఆర్టికల్. విజ్డమ్ ఆఫ్ వివేకానంద ఈజ్ ఏ ప్రైజ్ వర్తి. హియర్ ద విజ్డమ్ ఆఫ్, whose wisdom? Vivekananda's wisdom is a prize worthy. Next, no article is used before the places like school, college, university, temple, church, hospital, prison, market, ground, etc. when they are used for primary purpose. However, the can be used for any other purpose. Generally, what is the primary purpose of schools and colleges? To study. Okay, generally students goes to college or schools to study purpose. The primary purpose is study. Students parents comes to the school any particular or other purpose, to pay the fee or to meet the principal or correspondent, this type of some special purposes. So Srinu goes to college regularly, primary purpose, so no article. Srinu's father went to the college yesterday to pay the fee. శ్రీనుస్ ఫాదర్ జనరల్గా శ్రీనులాగా వెళ్తాడా కాలేజ్కి? వెళ్ళాడు, ఓన్లీ టు పే ద ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఫీ. ఐ వెంట్ టు హాస్పిటల్ ఎస్టర్డే. వై వి గో టు ద హాస్పిటల్? టు కన్సల్ట్ ఎ డాక్టర్, టు టేక్ మెడిసిన్స్, ఎట్సెట్రా. హియర్ ఐ విల్ గో టు ద హాస్పిటల్ టుమారో టు సీ మై సిక్ ఫ్రెండ్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద పర్టికులర్ పర్సన్. ఓకే, this is the primary, this is the other sense. Next, no article is used before the names of games, days, months, seasons, languages, diseases, etc. For example, lunch is ready, no article. The lunch served at your home was very delicious. Here you observe lunch, dinner, breakfast, there is no article. But when we use it any special purpose, for example here, the lunch, which lunch? You served yesterday, the lunch served at your home was very delicious. మీ ఇంట్లో వడ్డించావు చూడ, చాలా డెలీషియస్గా ఉంది. ఓకే, ఓకే, స్ప్రింగ్ ఈజ్ ఏ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సీజన్, నో ఆర్టికల్. ఇంగ్లీష్ ఈజ్ ఏ గ్లోబల్ లాంగ్వేజ్, వాట్? నో ఆర్టికల్. When we use it before the languages, it means people. English, the English. Yesterday I given one example. The English ruled India over 200 years. Here, the English means the English people, British. Sunday is a general holiday. Fever, mumps, diabetes, flu, etc. There is no article. Cricket is a popular game, no article. March is a month of exams, no article. Telugu is our mother tongue, no article. No article is used before names of mountains, peaks, hills. Mountain names, peaks and hills before there is no article. For example, Mount Everest, the Mount Everest not. Tirumala Hills, Nallamala Hills, etc. Okay, the final rule. No article is used before titles, positions like king, pope, president if the name follows. ఈ కింగ్, పోప్, ప్రెసిడెంట్, ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ అనే వర్డ్స్ యూజ్ చేసి వెంటనే నేమ్ వస్తే దేర్ ఇస్ నో ఆర్టికల్. కింగ్ లియర్, నో ఆర్టికల్. రాణి రుద్రమదేవి, రాణి ఇస్ ద టైటిల్, సో దేర్ ఇస్ నో ఆర్టికల్. President Ramnath Kovind, President Pranab Mukherjee, no article. President Narendra Modi, sorry, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, not the Prime Minister. Okay, these are those. Until now we have completed the 8th question, articles. Okay, you have to practice more from your textbook, page number 43 and 44. Okay, tomorrow I will send some notes. Today you practice them, I will tell the answers them. Okay, if you have any doubts, but one thing you have to note down these classes systematic manner in your notebook, then only you will learn perfectly. Okay, thank you.